So this is the healthy right side inside the boot, the top of the suspension thing, and then this is the left one, so it looks less compressed. Then down in here, see if I can get a little torch on. So in here you can see this bit has slipped down there, so that should be attached up there. It looks like it is just the rubber cover, but whatever this bit is that holds it on is frazzled. Might just pull that off. Oh yeah, that's dead. So it's just this rubbery bit that used to clip in there, and that's the bottom of the top. So I might just, oh yeah, you can push that back up. I might just tape that on for now. It goes quite far down, it's just a cover. So that's doing this thing, which is marvellous. And then on the other side, the healthy-ish one is all the way up like this, and it's attached.